In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter functions by their color using the function by color for Google Sheets, TM. This helpful feature makes managing and analyzing your data much easier by allowing you to view only the entries you're interested in, based on their color-coded categories. Let's start by opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch your Google Sheets application and open the file you want to work on. Once you've got it open, let's move on to selecting a column header. This is done by clicking directly on the lettered header of the column, which ensures you're choosing the entire column data. This step is essential as it tells Google Sheets where to apply the filter. Now direct your attention to the top of the window, where you'll want to click on the Data tab located in the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, navigate to Create a Filter. Click on it to activate the filter feature for your selected column. By doing this, you'll see small filter icons appear in the headers. These icons are crucial as they indicate where filtering capabilities can be used. Next, click on the down arrow within the column header you've selected. This action will bring up a new menu, presenting various filtering options that we can use. Look for the option labeled Filter by Color. It's precisely what allows us to narrow our results by the colors used in your spreadsheet. Click on it to proceed. Once you've selected Filter by Color, the menu will expand, showing options for both fill color and text color. For our purposes, hover over Fill Color in this menu. By hovering here, you'll be able to see all the fill colors used in your selected column. This preview can be particularly useful if you have a variety of colors in your sheet. Finally, finish off by clicking on the color green from the list of available fill colors. Once you do this, your spreadsheet will update to only show the rows where the fill color of the cells in that specific column is green. This concludes your filtering process, making it incredibly easy to focus strictly on the data that meets your specific criteria. Filtering by color in Google Sheets streamlines your workflow, especially if you regularly use color coding as a way to organize information. By using these steps, you'll now have a cleaner view, allowing you to make faster, more informed decisions. So remember, filtering by color is just another tool in your data management toolkit, enabling you to better handle your spreadsheets with ease. And that's how you can filter functions by their color on Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.